Jesus Christ, amen? And before I even get into whatever I'm going to get into tonight, we have a little surprise. Beyonce, would you please just kidding? We have a little surprise for you guys tonight. I'm going to ask Brother Tiny to come up for a quick second. And he has something that he wants to do that is awesome. How many people are thank God for Brother Tiny here, man? I just want to say this, and I know you weren't expecting all this, but Tiny is an awesome man of God. I've seen this guy, man, come from nothing, and God has blessed him now to have such a great ministry, such a great, powerful team of workers around him, such a great, powerful sound company. And you know what, man? Most of what you see, everything here has pretty much been donated so that we could give you the best tonight. Amen? So I want you guys to give him a round of applause.